How to fix Instagram widescreen on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram widescreen on Android phone. First, then just open settings and then apps and click apps again. Now we need to find here Instagram, click on it and then just click storage, clear cache and go back and click force stop, this one here. Now go to permissions, you need to allow all of those here and then go back and now just try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem just go back here and go to storage and clear data, click OK and restart your phone and then just try again, and then your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.